Hey guys, it's me again, and this is what happens when I watch videos of kittens meowing. Let's see where Susie is. She's right there. Okay, now I'm gonna put the videos of kittens meowing, and let's see what happens. Here we go. Oh my goodness, these freaking ads messing up my video. Here we go. Look what happens. Look at that. Oh my god. What happened, baby? What happened? What's going on, Susie? Oh my god. Susie, what's going on? Where are the kittens? Where are the cats? Where are the cats? Okay. I'm gonna end this video right here because she's getting really stressed. What happened, Susie? What happened, Nora? Oh my god. Okay. This is getting out of hand. I'm gonna stop the video right here. Okay. Oh, shh. It's okay, baby. It's okay, mi amor. It's a video. It's okay. No more. It's a video, Susie. It's okay. It's okay, baby. Okay.